Hello and welcome to my GoHighLevel Free Trial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate 14 days free trial of GoHighLevel platform in 3 simple steps. So all you need to do is just click on the special link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then you will visit this special landing page. As you can see, it is clearly written here 14 days free trial, no obligation, no contract, cancel at any time. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on this 14 days free trial button. When you will click on it, then it will ask you for 2 extra steps. Here you need to enter your company name, your full name, your email address, and you need to provide your phone number. And there is one tip for you, that enter a valid email address here, because you have to verify this email address in next step. Okay, so let me quickly fill all these details so that we can go to next step. Okay, so I have completed step 1, and in the step 2 you need to pick the plan. Okay, so suppose if you want to activate 14 days free trial of $97 starter plan, then you can select this option. And suppose if you want to activate 14 days free trial of $297 unlimited plan, then you can select this option. So it totally depends on you which plan free trial you want to activate, but I will highly recommend you to activate $297 unlimited plan free trial, because in this plan you are going to get a lots of more feature. And if you want to test everything available inside GoHighLevel platform, then you should definitely activate $297 unlimited plan free trial. And here you need to enter your credit card detail, and after that you need to check all these 3 options, and then after this you need to click on this start your 14 days free trial button to activate 14 days free trial. But I want to remind you one thing, that after 14 days your card will be charged according to the plan you have chosen. But don't worry, if you don't want that your card will be billed after 14 days, then what you can do, you can go to your account setting and you can cancel your free trial within 14 days to avoid any future charges. Okay, so I hope you understood how to activate GoHighLevel free trial. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.